Hi guys, today I'm showing you this bracelet LED disco lights. So there are two pieces in one package and there are five more strobe atmosphere lights for any room decor, car birthday dance, wedding, club or whatever you want to use it. This can also be a good fun for kids, and you can see that it comes with two pack, and you have to charge this light 1.5 to 2 hours before use. So I will show you the effect and the lights one by one, and you can see it can be used as a suction or on as a wristband. So I can show you these things. So you see like the charging cable, the bracelet itself. See, this is the yellow color one, and the bracelet will go here in this section if you want to use it as a bracelet. You can put it in a way you want to. This is a little bit like elastic bracelet with a stretchy thing that you can use it. And you can also use it with a suction cup, like this is a suction cup that goes in the back. You can put it and use it like for the roof or for the floor, wherever you want to use. This is the charging port that you can use to charge this wristband. This is the micro USB charging port that you can use, and this is the on and off switch. So right now I need to charge the thing. Meanwhile it's charging. You see the red signal, so I have to charge it to show you the demo. Meanwhile I can show you the other pack if it is different or the same thing. And as you can see that it's almost the same, like it's the same yellow thing, same watch wristband, the same wristband, and micro USB cable and everything. So here is the demo just after charging the light. So it shows to be like 5 modes, so I'm showing you one by one. So you can see that on the roof how this is showing in a big effect. So this is pretty fun, like for the kids. I think like when you put it on the wristband, or you want to use it like as a suction cup, or put it anywhere you want. This is very nice lights for the fun and any birthday party or anything that you want to use it for. So like the pulse change, explosive, flash, gradual change. There are multiple effect that you can have with this one. So as you can see like these effects, and when you see on the hand, like it will look like this on the hand, that on the wrist, that will be easily be like fun and really handy to have this type of lights. So hope you like this one, and then you can have that for some fun. There are two packs, so two kits, or you can put one on the wrist, one on the roof or the floor, and then you can use it anywhere you want. The colors are really bright, and you can also see the effect on the roof. That the thrombing fun.